12.7 scalar triple product. Now we discuss question first. Question first, find A dot B cross C, A given, B given and C given. Now we find vector A dot vector B cross C. Now it is the vector of A is this, we write this 2, minus 3 and 0. The component of vector A, vector component of vector B is 1, 1, minus 1 and component of vector C is 3, 0 and minus 1. This is the component of vector A, B, C. Now we determine these components. We find the value of A dot vector B cross C. Now expand by first row 2 into this first row cancel and first column we get this multiply this minus 1, this multiply this 0. Now second component is minus 0, 3 multiply this minus 3. Now solve this. This is minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 plus 6 and this is 0. So we get 4. So scalar triple product of these vector is vector A dot vector B cross. This is your first part. Number first, second part is given. Vector A is equal to 5, 5 minus 4j plus k and vector B is equal to 4i. This second part and third part same as first part. So now we solve these second and third part by first part. First we take vector A, after this vectors B and C. Now we find the determinant method and this is the solution of a question second and third part. We solve it I plus J plus K. These vectors are givens. In scalar triple product of vector first I, after this J. Now we change this vector to this place and this vector to this place. Now we one change given, then we take the negative sign and other change given to positive sign. So now we change this sign to negative. Now this became, this is J and this is a K. Now we solve these vector triple product. This is same vector to this same vector. Now we solve these. This vector minus this vector we get a 0. Hence the result. I, J and K. Now triple product of these vectors. Now the component of these vector is I component is 1. Here the first vector is A like this. Now J and K are 0. Now this vector J is 1 and I and K is 0. Now this component is also 1 and I and J is 0. Now we determine these, expand by this first row. So now we expand this first column and first row cancel. We multiply this upper to 1 into 1 multiply 1, 1 0 multiply 0 0. Now we get 1 minus 0 1, 1 multiply 1 1. Now second side of this also say that we get component of this vector. This is the J, K and I. So component of J is 0, component of I 0, J 1, K 0. Second 0 0 1 and third 1 0 0. Now we determine these. So then we determined by these column, second columns. Now we expand by this first column, first component. This column cancel and this row cancel. 0 multiply 0 this multiply this. We get 1. So also the result is 1. Now this is also third component of this. This is K, I, J. We take the value of K, I and J and expand by this. We get the result are same. So hence all side are, this component are equal. Find the volume of a parallelepiped whose as are representation by vector this and this. Now volume of parallelepiped. Now it is also the scalar triple product of a vector. We have find vector A dot vector B cross vector C. Now here the given vector, this is A vector, this is B vector, this is C vector. Now expand by this first row. We write the expand by first row, then 2 into this column and this row cancel. 2 multiply 2 4. This minus 1 is plus 1, but we have up to minus. This negative to positive 3 into this row and cancel. This multiply this 2, this plus 3 plus 4 into this multiply, we get -1 and -6. Now we solve this. 4 minus 1 3, 3 multiply to 6, 2 plus 3 5, 8. This we get -7. Now volume of parallelepiped is 7 cube unit. Now volume of any object is never be negative, then we write is 7 cubic unit. Second and third part of these questions are same. Now in questions number 5, we discuss these questions. He said that of parallelepiped. Volume of parallelepiped is, we have find the component of vector A, B, C. Here the component vector is -12, J is 0, K is lambda, and this 0, 3, -1, and this 2, 1, -15. Now you find the determinant of this by determinant method. -12 into this, cancel this, multiply this, -45, this is +1. Now this component is 0, we take note this value the, then after this lambda equal to this, cancel this multiply 0, we get 0, and this -6. Now this is given that -45 plus 1 -44, multiply -12 -6 lambda. Now we multiply this is 5 to 8 -6 lambda equal to, now according to it is given that the volume of this parallelepiped is 5, 4, 6 unit. So now 5 to 8 -6 lambda is equal to 5, 4, 6. Now we have find the value of this. Now we take this value to right hand side, -6 lambda is equal to 5, 4, 6 minus 5 to 8. We have find the value of lambda. This is 18 by 6 with negative sign. We get the value of lambda is equal to -3. This is yes. Here the vector A is equal to this, B and C. Now the given vector are collinear. We have find the triple product equal to 0. Now given point are vector are coplanar. Then vector A dot vector B cross C equal to 0. Now here the vector A is given by component of vector A 1, 2, 1. Vector B component is 3, 2, -7. And vector C component is 5, 6, -5. Now we expand this by first row. 1 into this, cancel this is -10 plus 42, -2 into -15 plus -50 by this plus 32, and 35 -15 we get 20 -40, and this is 8. We get 32 plus 8, 40 -40 equal to 0. Now result of this question is 0. Then the points are coplanar. Other parts of these questions are second and third part are same. Second part and third part are also same. In this part also find the given vector are coplanar. If the triple product of these vector are 0, then these points are also coplanars.